Never enough. Yeah, once she eats, she goes into total play mode. Are you like videotaping her?
Yeah. She doesn't know what to do. Fierce. No, not that string. You can play with these strings.
Tasty.
Yeah, I don't think that's gonna be flying.
And it's never enough. And to get the stuff, you've got to stomp on their bodies really hard and squish them to get the extra ammo and stuff. I mean, it's just like, who would even write something like that?
Well, I mean, there was a advertisement for a movie or something, and I don't know who I was talking to, but I told them, I said they just have to keep amping things up because nobody will go see it if it's the original. Oh, that Swan Lake or Swan whatever. I mean, I don't think it was as crazy as it is now because it was a 1960s movie, but they just have to gauge them up so people go watch them.
Swan Lake.
Not Swan Lake, Black Swan.
Is that bad? I never saw it.
Oh my gosh.
It didn't. Did you see it?
No.
It's creepy. All my friends said it was really creepy.
About this dancer who falls in love with their trainer or tutor, and then she like stalks, and I mean it's yeah, and I think it's really sexual, and it's funny how every single time it comes out of nowhere.